You wake up again, and before your feet even touch the floor, you feel it. That tight, pulling sensation at the back of your neck, the dull pressure crawling up into your head. You slowly turn to the right, crack, turn to the left, a stiffness. And you already know how this day is going to start. With tension, maybe even a headache before breakfast. You tell yourself it's stress, maybe age, maybe too much phone scrolling, maybe long hours at work. But what if the real reason you're waking up like this every single morning is lying right under your head? What if the pillow you trust every night is silently creating the pain you fight every day? Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly why your pillow might be causing chronic morning neck tension and headaches, how it slowly damages alignment without you realizing it, and how a simple change can completely transform the way you wake up. And before we go deeper, if you care about your health, your posture, and waking up pain-free, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because small changes create massive results over time, and you deserve to feel good in your own body. Now let's talk about what's really happening. Your neck is not just a flexible stick holding your head. It's a carefully designed structure called the cervical spine. It has a natural inward curve, known medically as cervical lordosis. This curve is not random. It balances the weight of your head, which by the way weighs around 10 to 12 pounds. When you stand upright, gravity distributes that weight properly. Your muscles share the load, your joints stay aligned. But when you lie down at night, something changes. Your pillow becomes responsible for supporting that entire structure for 6 to 8 hours straight. If that support is wrong, even slightly wrong, your neck muscles stay either stretched or shortened the entire night. Imagine holding a lightweight object in your hand. It doesn't feel heavy at first, but hold it for 6 hours without rest, and your muscles will burn. That's exactly what happens to your neck when your pillow height is incorrect. If your pillow is too high, your head tilts forward, your chin drops toward your chest. The small muscles at the base of your skull, called suboccipital muscles, remain shortened for hours. Blood flow reduces, tension builds. If your pillow is too low, your head falls backward. The front of your neck stretches unnaturally, the back muscles overwork to stabilize. If you're a side sleeper and your pillow is too thin, your head drops sideways toward the mattress. That compresses one side of your neck and overstretches the other. And if you sleep on your stomach, your neck is rotated almost 90 degrees for hours. That's extreme strain. You may not feel it immediately, but night after night, that microstrain becomes chronic inflammation. That inflammation becomes stiffness, and that stiffness becomes morning headaches. Most tension-type headaches actually start in the neck. They travel upward, they wrap around the skull like a tight band. Sometimes you feel pressure behind your eyes. Sometimes it feels like heaviness at the base of your head. And because it builds slowly, you never suspect your pillow. You blame your job, your phone, your stress levels. But your body remembers every hour of misalignment. Research in sleep ergonomics has shown that pillow height directly affects cervical spine posture and muscle activity during rest. When alignment is off, neck muscle activation increases instead of relaxing. That means your muscles are working all night when they're supposed to be recovering. Think about that. You go to bed to heal, but your pillow is keeping your neck in survival mode. Now let's talk about why this becomes chronic. Muscles adapt to positions they stay in repeatedly. If your neck is flexed forward every night, your muscles slowly adjust to that shortened state. During the day, when you try to stand upright, those tight muscles resist. That creates stiffness and reduced range of motion. Over time, the joints between your cervical vertebrae experience uneven pressure. This can accelerate wear, especially after 40 when natural disc hydration starts decreasing. That's why many people over 35 suddenly start waking up with neck tension even though they never had problems before. It's not sudden. It's accumulated. There are also nerves exiting your cervical spine. When muscles tighten and joints compress, those nerves can become irritated. that irritation often expresses as headaches. You might notice pain that starts at the base of your skull, stiffness that improves after a hot shower, headaches that feel like pressure rather than throbbing, shoulder tightness by midday. If that sounds familiar, your pillow deserves attention. Another hidden issue is pillow age. Most pillows lose structural integrity within 18 to 24 months. Even if they look fine, even if they feel soft, foam breaks down, fibers compress, support collapses unevenly. If you constantly fold your pillow, punch it, flip it, or adjust it at night, that's your body telling you it's not getting proper support. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It keeps searching for alignment while you sleep. Let's break down the biggest mistake people make. You lie down for 30 seconds. It feels soft, cozy, luxurious, but comfort in the first minute doesn't mean support for 8 hours. Proper pillow choice depends on your sleeping position. Back sleepers need a medium-height pillow that supports the natural curve without pushing the head forward. Side sleepers need a thicker pillow that fills the gap between ear and shoulder so the head stays level with the spine. Combination sleepers need responsive material that adapts as they move. Stomach sleepers, ideally, should transition away from that habit. But if not, a very thin pillow minimizes neck rotation strain. Material also matters. Memory foam contours well and supports chronic neck tension, but can trap heat. Latex is more breathable and maintains height longer. Feather pillows feel soft but collapse quickly overnight. Polyester pillows are budget-friendly but lose support fastest. The goal is simple: neutral spine. If someone took a photo of you sleeping from the side, your ear, shoulder, and hip should form a straight line if you're on your side. If you're on your back, your chin shouldn't tilt toward your chest. Try this tonight. Your body gives clues. But here's the emotional part nobody talks about. Chronic morning tension doesn't just hurt physically. It affects your mood. When you wake up stiff, you move slower. You feel older than you are. You start your day already uncomfortable. And over time, that shapes your energy. Now that you understand how your pillow might be silently creating tension, let's fix it properly. First, identify your dominant sleep position. Many people think they are back sleepers, but they actually spend most of the night on their side. If you wake up on your side frequently, you're primarily a side sleeper. For side sleepers, the distance between your ear and the outer edge of your shoulder determines pillow height. Broader shoulders need thicker pillows. Narrow frames need medium thickness. The pillow should completely fill the gap so your neck doesn't bend sideways. For back sleepers, the goal is to maintain the natural curve without pushing the head forward. A pillow that's too thick flattens the cervical curve. A slight contour design often works well because it supports the neck more than the head. If you often wake up with your chin close to your chest, your pillow is too high. If your head feels like it falls backward or you experience throat tightness, it's too low. Now let's talk about firmness. Too soft means your head sinks gradually through the night, losing alignment after an hour or two. Too firm means pressure points develop at the base of the skull. You want supportive but adaptive. Memory foam and latex often provide that balance. Adjustable shredded foam pillows are also good because you can remove filling to customize height. Here's a simple alignment check you can do at home. Ask someone to look at you from behind while you lie on your side. Is your head tilting toward the mattress? Is it angled upward? Or is it straight? If it's not straight, your pillow height is off. Now, what if you already have chronic morning neck tension? Changing your pillow helps, but you should also reset your muscles. Every morning, before checking your phone, try this 3-minute sequence. First, chin tucks. Sit upright. Gently pull your chin backward as if making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This reactivates deep neck flexors that weaken from poor alignment. Second, shoulder rolls. Slowly roll shoulders backward 10 times to release upper trapezius tightness. Third, gentle upper trap stretch. Tilt your head to one side. Hold 20 seconds, then switch. These simple movements restore blood flow and reduce accumulated overnight stiffness. But here's something important. If your pillow has been wrong for years, don't expect overnight miracles. Your muscles need time to adapt to proper alignment. Give your body 2 to 3 weeks after changing pillows. During that time, pay attention to how quickly stiffness fades in the morning, whether headaches reduce in frequency, whether you stop adjusting your pillow at night. Also remember, your mattress plays a supporting role. If your mattress is too soft, your shoulders sink excessively, altering neck alignment even with a good pillow. Your pillow and mattress must work together. Let's address one more common myth. People often stack to pillows thinking more height equals more comfort, but stacking usually increases forward head posture during sleep, the same posture that causes tight neck during the day. If you already work long hours at a desk or on your phone, your neck is likely flexed forward for hours daily. A high pillow continues that stress overnight. That's why so many office workers wake up stiff even after sleeping well. Your body never fully resets. Now imagine this instead. You wake up, you turn your head freely. No stiffness, no pressure at the base of your skull. Your shoulders feel light. Your mood is calmer because your body is fighting tension. And alignment is something you control. You don't need expensive therapy first. You don't need endless painkillers. You need to respect the position your neck stays in for 1/3 of your life. Small misalignment multiplied by 8 hours per night multiplied by 365 days per year becomes chronic strain. If this video opened your eyes to something you never considered before, don't ignore it. Take action tonight. Check your sleeping position. And if you found value in this, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. When you subscribe, you're not just helping the channel grow, you're committing to your own health journey. Comment below and tell me, do you wake up with neck tension or headaches? And what position do you sleep in? Your experience might help someone else realize they're not alone. Because pain that repeats every morning is not random. Your pillow might be small, but its impact on your life is massive.